Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I cannot believe today I am filming, or I'm gonna start filming, my moving vlog. Moving out of my apartment in Charlotte, North Carolina, the place that I have lived for the past 4 years. I've loved every second of it, and I can't believe that this chapter of my life is coming to an end. If you're new here, hi, I'm Adrienne. I just finished college and I am prepping right now to move somewhere completely different. I have not told you guys where I'm moving yet. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer and I will tell you guys very soon because I'm actually moving at the end of this month. So the date is currently August 7th, I believe. My apartment lease ends the 25th, but I am moving out a little bit early because I will be moving to somewhere new by the time my lease is up. So that's what we're doing today. I'm currently on the way to Charlotte. I just stopped to go to the bathroom. I got some coffee because I'm tired. It's actually 4:30 right now, so it's like later on in the afternoon. But pretty much I have already figured out like who's buying my furniture from me and stuff. I really just need to like do stuff like getting rid of like little things around my house, and of course I need to clean and stuff. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed Cleo right here, but when I went to Starbucks, I had her get like a little cappuccino, and girl completely like down the whole thing, and I'm not kidding, like 30 seconds. So she is very happy right now. I don't know if you can see the whipped cream on her face. Anyways, I've been talking long enough. By the way, excuse my appearance. On days like today, I just don't really feel like doing anything with my hair or my face, so that's why I look like a bit of a slob. But anyways, I need to go ahead and get back on the road. I'm excited for this video, but it's also just very sentimental because this apartment that I'm moving out of, I love it. Like, it is the best house ever. It's been so awesome for my roommates and I, but you know what? I just know that I need to keep growing, and in order for me to grow, I gotta move out. So, ready, Cleo? She has no idea what's going on. All right, let's go. Okay, so I just got back. Look at how cute Cleo is being. She's happy to be back in her bed. Okay, so it is currently 6:30, and I do have somebody coming to my house to purchase this desk. Goodbye, desk. It's been fun. I'm gonna miss this desk. I got so much work done here. And I'm also gonna ask the girl if she wants any of my other furniture because I need to sell all of it. So I'm gonna sell this. I need to sell this. And then I also just have like a ton of like trinkety knickknacks on here that either need to be thrown away or packed up in a box. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start just kind of clearing this off so that this girl can easily, you know, take it down. And if you're wondering, I got this from IKEA. I always get questions about this desk. It's from IKEA. You do have to purchase the top separately from the legs, but I think all in all, once you purchase it all, it's only like 60 bucks or something super cheap. Alright, so the desk is officially gone. I have no idea why it's so dirty behind where my desk was. I don't know if maybe I kept putting like my feet up against the wall or something. But yeah, desk is gone. I also gave her the chair that went along with it. But what I'm about to do now is just start listing other stuff onto Facebook Marketplace. If you guys don't use Facebook Marketplace, I highly recommend it. Everything that I've ever put on there sells like immediately. So yeah, I feel like Facebook Marketplace canceled Craigslist because it's just so much better. So I'm gonna put that on Facebook Marketplace. I also am like realizing that I have all this other stuff. Like, for example, I want to sell this painting. I have my mirror, which I kind of want to hold on to this for a few more days because I love my mirror. I have this chair, these little like planter things. So yeah, just a variety of stuff that I need to go ahead and start listing. So that is what I'm gonna do. Cleo says hey. All right, hi guys, so it's later on now. I am currently on my way to the gym. I want to get a workout in tonight, but it started raining really hard on my way to the gym, so I pulled over because I hate driving in the rain. Like, I hate it. But I wanted to tell you guys, so remember how like 2 hours ago I posted all of that stuff on Facebook for sale? Literally every single piece like sold, pretty much. I have like people coming first thing tomorrow morning to pick up pretty much everything else I listed, which is crazy how quickly it all sold. Hopefully they're all reliable, but yeah, so Facebook Marketplace for the win. Do you guys see how hard it's raining? I literally hate the rain, but yeah, I just want to update you guys on that. I'm gonna go get a sweat in so I feel good, and then I will probably talk to you guys either tonight or tomorrow morning. I'm definitely gonna do more clearing out tonight. And I have to stop at like Target to get trash bags and shampoo. So yeah, I'll either see you guys later on tonight or tomorrow morning. All right, so I just want to show you guys a quick little grocery haul because I feel like you guys like these. I like watching them. Okay, first I got trash bags. It's boring. But I wanted to show you kind of like a few things that I pick up when I'm in town just for a couple days. I'm here in Charlotte right now. So first I just got a fresh bag of spinach. I got a pack of celery stalks. And I also got some mango chunks. So I already have other frozen fruit, which I can use that and this for like breakfast and snacks, smoothies and stuff. And then I love doing like salad with celery on top, and then I add rice and some kind of protein, usually maybe like a little bit of chicken. I just love to have spinach, and you can, you know, saute it, you can eat it fresh. I really do need to be incorporating more greens into my diets because I like go in phases. Sometimes I'm so good, like sometimes I will literally go through a bag of spinach in half a week, and other times I don't even have spinach in my diet. So yeah, this is just my little haul. So it is currently like 6:55 a.m. and I was not anticipating waking up this early this morning, but there is a train right outside of my house, like a train track. And last night the little bell that happens when like the doors come down never stopped ringing. I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah, it never stopped ringing, so I did not sleep that well. But I am just gonna make the most of being up early, and I'm gonna go to the gym. First, I need to take Cleo out. She does not want to get up. I'm trying to use up as much of my gym membership as I can because I only have like 1 month left of it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. These pants are from Express, these little leggings, and this top is just a little crop workout top that I got in Korea, so I'm not exactly sure about the brand, but I love it. I've gotten so much use out of it. I went to the gym, came back, showered, so now it's about 9 a.m. and we're gonna continue on with this moving vlog. I actually have some lady on the way right now, and she is going to pick up this guy and this. So I need to like hurry and like clear all this stuff off because she's literally gonna be here in like 10 minutes. And I'm in my robe and I kind of look crazy, but whatever. So I'm just kind of taking everything off, and I will deal with all of this stuff later, but for now I just want to get it all clean. I have like so many little trinkets that I want to get rid of, but I feel like no one is gonna buy them. All right, so I kind of wanted to give you guys an update on how everything is going. So I've started to compile this little corner of just stuff that I'm selling. So all of this stuff is sold. I'm just waiting on the people to come get it. So it's just kind of like all in this corner. And then over here is like trash, and then clothes I want to keep. I need to sell that little stand. I need to donate that stuff. That I'm still waiting for someone to buy it. And then I want to show you guys like what else I have to do. So as you can see, my roommate Mary has already moved out. She moved out a couple weeks ago. But then I also have our linen closet that really needs to have some work done. I think I'm just going to pretty much clear all of this out. The only things I'm really going to keep is Cleo's clothes, that heater, everything else will pretty much go. Okay, and then here's the state of my bedroom right now. So it kind of looks like a disaster, but it's like an organized disaster. So over here, I'm putting stuff that I want to hold on to because I'm keeping a very little amount of stuff. So I'm just gonna kind of like compile it all over here, just like random stuff. And then here's my desk area. Someone's coming to pick those up later. Someone's coming to pick this up later. Someone's buying that later. So much stuff. This desk is also sold. I need to clear this all off. And then my closet, this is the state of my closet right now. The reason it is such a disaster is because I had to pull all my clothes out of this because I posted this for sale. So I guess I should just go ahead and like take this down. And then I got rid of a couple of the cubbies that I used to hold my socks. So closet is slightly a disaster, but it's okay. That box down there is my memory box. So anything that I want to hold on to for keepsake, I'm putting in there. Yeah, that's my little update, honestly. Oh, and also someone's coming in a few hours to buy my bed. So crazy, guys. I still need to figure out how I'm gonna get the shelf off my wall. I'm giving those plants to my friends in Raleigh, so I don't need to sell those. Everything honestly is working out really well. Shout out to Facebook Marketplace. Literally, you guys, I posted this. I was like, no one's gonna want it. And you know what? So many people keep asking me for it. So it's like all the most random stuff people actually want. And it's only $5, but like it adds up. And I'd rather someone come pick it up than me have to haul it out to a trash can by myself. Guys, look at this sunset right now. One of the things I've always loved about this apartment is how, and I'm really gonna miss this, is how when the sun sets or whatever the sky looks like at night, you can just see it from both angles, and it's so pretty when I'm upstairs looking over my loft because I can see it from that high. But wow. It's like crazy. I guess now that I'm moving, I don't really care if you guys know where I live, but oh my gosh, I'm gonna miss this apartment. Like, it's just been so fun to live here. It's freaking luxurious for a college student, in my opinion. We really lucked out. Okay, this is how my dinner's coming along. I'm just gonna put some of this stir fry sauce on, and then I'm gonna add the rice cake. But yeah, I've really loved it here, and I'm gonna miss it, but I'm excited for this new chapter. Alright, you guys, so I am getting ready to actually drive back to Raleigh for a few days, but I wanted to close off the vlog here. This is just gonna be part one. I'm gonna come back next week and finish, you know, officially moving out, but I just wanted to show you the status. So I had someone that was gonna buy this, but it fell through, so I'm just going to have to sell this when I come back. I don't think it'll be hard to sell though, it's really cute. And then as you can see, the bed is gone, so I've been sleeping on this for the past couple of days. And I still need to sell this. I just completely forgot to list it. But other than that, that is the state. And then obviously everything in my office is gone as well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this moving vlog. I promise you I will be telling you where I'm moving very soon. For some reason, it's kind of fun keeping it a secret. I don't know. But I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.